Let's begin. To change the number of products you're selling, click on the products you'd like to increase or decrease. Using the quantity drop-down, select whether you'd like to set a quantity limit or sell an unlimited number of products. If you're limiting your products, type the total quantity you'd like to sell, including your past sales. For example, if you've already sold 50 products and you want to sell 100 in total, you type 100. If you're changing from a limited to an unlimited quantity, select Unlimited. Click Update Products. If you want to take your products off sale, click on the products you'd like to remove from an event. Scroll to the bottom of the products editor and unselect the events where you no longer want the products to be sold. Click Update Products to add your products to new events or your store. Ensure you've already created your event or updated your store settings. Click on the products you'd like to sell. Scroll to the bottom of the products editor and select the events where you want to sell the products, or tick the checkbox to sell them in your store. Click Update Products. To add a variation of your product, create the product and open Advanced Settings. Type your variation into the variant field, for example the size, color or flavor. To create another variation, click the three dots on the right-hand side and then click Duplicate. Make sure to only change the contents of the variant field. To delete your products, click on Products in your top menu bar. Click on the three dots next to the products you wish to delete. Click to delete your products from your Manage Products list and any future events. Previously sold products will still appear in your historic reports. If you want to change the order your products appear on checkout, you can drag and drop your products so that your ticket buyers see them in a specific order. And there you have it. Easy.